guys, welcome to my fourth video. Today I'm going to introduce you how to find a complex root, odd complex root. This is too thick, oh my gosh. Zeros. Any polynomial. Okay. Any polynomial. Let's say if I want to find x, let's randomly choose a problem. Let's see if I want to find the value of 4x cubed or 4's power minus x cubed plus 13x squared plus 13x squared minus 12x plus 3. Right? I'm going to solve this. We're going to find all the complex zeros, all the complex solutions, and we know that complex can be both imaginary, real, and imaginary, which means that the solution can include I. Okay, so let's see how can we solve this problem. First, I'll use the integral theorem. The integral theorem is that you make a set, right? You make a set of all of this, all of an over a1 to 1 over an equals absolute value dot a n minus 1. Right? And this is basically just an. An is the largest degree. This is a0. In this case, this is a4, not this one. This is a0. So this is a4. Right? This must be a4. Let's find the largest. Right? So this is definitely going to be 13 over 3. So it's limited in 13 over 3 plus 1 comma negative 13 over 3 minus 1, which is in the set of 16 over 3 comma negative 13 over 3. Okay. So every root must be in the interval of this one. So, and then we have to use the rational zero theorem. Let's just copy this down first. Okay. Copy this down first, right? So basically, for the rational zero theorem, you have to find every number. No, not every number. All the roots must be in the form of p over q, which p is a factor. It's a factor of a0. Q is a factor, any factor of an. Okay? And definitely this must all be in the set, so it must all be in the interval, so the factor of a0 is plus or minus 1, plus or minus 3, and this is plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, right? But we know that this was over this, so our choices are limited to 1, 1/2 plus or minus plus or minus 1, 4 plus or minus 3 minus 3/2 plus or minus 3/4. These are all, so then we're gonna use synthetic division. What are all the factors? 4, negative 4, 13, negative 12, and 3. Right? And then we know that since this is a cubic, no, this is a quadratic, then we have to do 2 twice. We have to do 2 synthetic division in order to get roots, to get a quadratic and solve it. And that's out of the roots, because according to the fundamental theorem of algebra, this will be having 4 roots. So at most, so we can that. First, let's try 1. 1, we can do mental math. 4, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 13, 13. 13 is 1, so 1 is not going to work. Negative 1, 4, negative 4, negative 8, this 8, so 5, so 5, 5. It's not going to work. So let's try 3. 3, 4. Let's try 3. 3, if it's 3, then 12, 8 is 4, so that's not going to work because it gets larger and larger. Then negative 3, 1, 12, 13, that's still not going to work. So, try 1/2. 1/2. 1/2, we can just use mental math. 4, 2, 4, 2, and we'll get 2, so we'll get 1, we get 12, 1, and 14. No, negative 1/2. Negative 1/2, 4, negative 2, we get negative 6, and 12, and 25. No, it's not going to work. So 1/4. 1/4. F is 1/4. It's 1/4, not negative. 1/4 is 4, 1. So no, that's not over. Try negative 1/4. No, still not working. The 3 is 2. 2, then we get 4, so we get 6. 2, so we get 3. 13, so we get 24. 24. That's not gonna work. Shit. Okay, so now what we have? Negative 3/4. 4, and we get negative 6, plus negative 10, 15, 28. No, that's not gonna work. And we have 3/4 left. Three fours, so we get 4, and then we get 3. Okay, let's try everything again. Okay, we have to do this as a must procedure. So we get 1, 4, so we get negative 4, 0, right? So we get 0, so it's 13, 1 with a 1. That's not gonna work, right? What the? Negative 1, negative 1. So we get 4, negative 4, which is negative 8. 8 is gonna be 21. it's not gonna work, right? So simple. Oh, what choices do you have left? We have left is, we have left negative, what is your 1/2? 4, 2, so negative 2, negative 1, 12, we'll get 6, negative 6. Okay, so this actually works. That's bad as circle, right? So so 1/2 actually works. So we know that one of the roots is this, right? X minus 1/2. We have to continue dividing. So then we have to try one more again. Let's try 1. 4, so it's 4, 2, 14. That's not gonna work. How about negative 1? Negative 1, we get 4, so negative 4. Negative 4, so negative 6, so 6. 18, it's not gonna work. Negative 18, how can this work? Right. So we have the choice left is, now what we have is negative 1/2, right? And let's just try 1/2, okay? 1/2, so we get 4, so we get 2, 0, okay? 0, so we get 12, 6, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so basically this works. So, right. So after we've done everything, then all we have is basically 4x squared plus 18 plus 12. Because we make it in quadratic, this is x is 0. So this is basically factored into 4 times x squared plus 3 by taking out the greatest common factor. And then we put it in the quadratic formula, which we get basically negative root 12 over 2. 4 we just take it out. We put it in the, so we just got that it's basically x minus 1/2 squared, right? So we times 4 times this. Then we find the root, and basically just 2i root 3 over 2 equal to plus or minus I root 3, right? Okay, so we can plus or minus I plus I root 3 times x minus I root 3. This is the answer, and we are done. Thank you for watching. See you next time.